Everyone, this is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss in DDL commands truncate. Truncate is the already I discussed three commands. This is the I think DDL stands for data definition language. Truncate is the fourth one. Already I discussed three commands. Truncate is the fourth one. DDL stands for data definition language. What is DDL? DDL stands for data definition language. Okay. In DDL commands, I am discussing fourth one, truncate command. Truncate command, fourth one I am discussing. It is used to remove all data from a table. It is used to remove all data from a table and columns. Truncate, it is used to remove all data from a table and columns or remain same. It is used to remove all data from table but columns are remain same. Columns are not deleted, only data deleted using truncate. Syntax. Truncate table name. Syntax is what? Truncate table name. Truncate command. It is used to remove all data from a table and columns are remain same. Syntax what? Truncate table name. It is a DDL commands. DDL stands for data definition language. Example. Truncate table name. Table name is EMP. Syntax for truncate table name. Truncate table EMP syntax. Now I am going to execute this command at command line runner. See. Okay. If you want to increase font size, go to properties, right click on the SQL command line runner and increase your font size. Okay, SQL. Select star from EMP. Okay, already table EMP is exist. So I want to delete data. Columns are remain same using truncate command. Okay. I want to remove data. Columns are remain same. Okay, columns are remain same. Okay, use command truncate table name EMP. Truncate table name EMP. Okay, table truncated. Okay, successfully data is deleted in the table. Select star from EMP. SQL select star from EMP. Okay, no rows selected. See, columns are data is deleted, columns are remain same. If you want to view only table columns, describe table name. If you want to view columns and rows, select star from EMP table name. Okay, describe to view table, describe table name. See, columns are exist EID, ename and data types are number, varchar. EID data type is number, ename varchar, data type is varchar. Okay. If you want to learn Oracle, please subscribe my channel if anybody watching first time. And in the YouTube search with RAG Rajesh IT HYD. Okay. If you search with in the YouTube or Rajesh IT HYD, you search with Rajesh IT HYD. Okay. Please subscribe my channel if anybody watching for first time. Okay. Okay. please subscribe my channel. I already created playlists. If anybody not subscribe my channel. Already created playlist. Okay.